Continuing with our series of international relations expected questions for UPSC prelims, in this section we'll cover three important topics: the Salbert Treaty, the BBNJ, and the Declaration for AI Safety. So let's begin with the very first one, the Salbert Treaty. Now this is again a very important geopolitical topic. In 1920, Salbert Treaty came into existence, and since then it has become a highly relevant topic in the recent time because of the melting of glacial ice and shifting of the geopolitics. Now, one of the important thing is that this treaty grants the Norway an absolute sovereignty over the Svalbard archipelago. Now, there are signatory nations which have given equal right to engage in the commercial and research activities there. However, the most important thing is India's center Himadri. Now, Himadri is one of the major centers which have been working for mineral reserves and tapping the mineral reserves in the ice area. Also, this region has been now focusing on new shipping routes, and that is because of the melting ice and the idea to tap the mineral reserves in those areas. So, knowing the legal framework of Svalbard Treaty previously and the new changes, the Arctic Council, the dynamics of the Arctic Council, how NATO, China, Russia have been part of it, and the mineral reserves have been important. This becomes a very important topic for demilitarized zones and international scientific diplomacy, because it is a center where most of the nations have their research stations as well. So a very important topic, not only from geopolitical nature but also from international scientific diplomacy. The next important topic that we'll talk about today is the BBNJ, which is again the biodiversity beyond the national jurisdiction. So until now, 2/3 of the world's ocean were virtually unregulated wild. Now, the high seas were the unregulated territories. There have been various marine genetic resources that have been seen, deep sea mining and environmental impact assessments have been going on. Now this treaty, which is the biodiversity beyond international jurisdiction, focuses on two important aspects. Its primary goal is to place 30% of the world ocean in the protected area by 2030, and that is one of the primary goals that it has. And then beyond it, focusing on global south equity and UNCLOS relationship, which is the United Nations Convention for the Law of Sea. Now, understanding this relationship with the UNCLOS is again important. UNCLOS is a very important topic for students for geography optional mains as well. So we have seen numerous topics from geopolitics are extremely important for geography optional mains students as well. And then this treaty also establishes the rules for EIA, which is the environmental impact assessment, specifically for the deep sea mining and the deep sea activities which takes place, and the oceans and the ocean governance. So this was a very important topic for you. The last important topic that we would be talking about is regulating the superintelligence, that is the Belsky Declaration on AI Safety. Now, since 2023, there was a summit in Bletchley Park in UK, and this was the point where 28 nations across the globe came together, of which United States, Canada, Brazil, India, China, Australia and South Africa were the major nations. And then there was the declaration which talked about the potential harms that an AI can cause, and also the issues related to cybersecurity, issues related to biotechnological threats that could emerge. So it emphasized that the AI developers bear the complete responsibility for the testing model before they are released into the public, and therefore representation of this declaration is an aspect of AI diplomacy, which is a completely new scenario. So far we had talked about evolution of AI, but bringing politics into AI and diplomacy into AI, this was the first time in 2023 that it was brought into account. And this declaration actually brings in a bridge between the technological innovations and the international security framework, because it regulates the cybersecurity, the biotechnological threats and the major harms that AI could reach on to. Now, the summit follow-ups with the summits that would be coming up in South Korea, in France, and therefore this topic becomes extremely important, not only from your international relations perspective, but also it is a very, very important topic for science and technology. So Belsky Declaration, the details on that must be covered carefully. Also, the upcoming two summits in South Korea and France are important. So these were the topics that we have discussed for today. In the next section, we'll continue with our class on international relations expected series, and of course we have been continuing with our expected series sections for geography, for economics, and for science and tech. So stay tuned for our series, and in case you have any questions, post those in the comment section. Thanks for joining.